Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you on a journey aboard one of Australia's most iconic heritage railways, the Zig Zag Railway in the beautiful Blue Mountains of New South Wales. This isn't just any train ride, it's a steam powered trip through tunnels, sandstone bridges, and bushland, all packed with charm. So hop on a board and let's ride the rails together. For my trip to the Zig Zag Railway, I caught a Blue Mountains line train heading west. You can board from Sydney Central Station or hop on at other major stops like Strathfield, Parramatta, Blacktown, or Penrith. From Central, it's about a 4 hour journey, calm, scenic, and the perfect way to ease into the day. Thank you.
I have no problem with this. Needs to be fixed.
Ow!
Like this.
In the hole, man.
Practice. More days. We need to get going.
Welcome to Zig Zag Railway.
beautiful. It's amazing.
Thanks for coming. Really appreciate you coming along and joining us at Zig Zag Railway here in Lithgow in the Blue Mountains in New South Wales. I'd like to invite everyone watching to come and join us as well.